Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a very nice fish. So you can see from the drawing, we'll outline the drawing first. Let's begin from the top. So this is the head and the line is going through the whole body. This is also going in the end. All right. Okay. So you can see I'm drawing the line going to the end. All right. So you can see the eyes here. Different dark color. this field this fish is called kalibaush. Its scientific name is kalibaush. Okay, let's draw another characteristics on its body. On the back, this is very hard surface. Another one we can draw here. Okay, let's draw a line here. And the details of the tail you can see at the last end. I'm going to connect the 2 points of the tail like this. Okay, so let's draw a few hatches here. The Rex looks like this. All right. And the few lines you can see here looks like this. Also this point we have few lines. Okay. Let's draw some scales here. Looks like this. All right. So the drawing, you have seen the basic outline is completed. Now we're going to put the color. Usually the black color that prevails all over the body. So let's put the color here. All right. So you can see the shape is becoming visually clear. For the backside part, we're going to make it more darker. This one is also going to be more darker. The tail, that's an important part for the fish for gliding through the water. All right. This part is going to be darker too, and also this part. This is also a part of the gliding. Okay. All right. All right. You know, the some parts we're going to put some little bit another colors to make the drawing more realistic. Okay. The drawing is almost done. All right. This part, let's put red color here. So some parts are visually colorful. also peel up. We can peel up the borders and the outlines. Okay. For the whole body, let's put a little shade. All right. Okay, so the drawing, it looks good. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Thank you so much. Please subscribe the channel and stay with Blue Hand Drawing. Put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.